Hello my fellow comrades, welcome to another analysis video. If you're new to the channel, consider watching this video, subscribe if you like content. If you're a current member of channel, be sure to smash like. Now without further ado, it's like 6 a.m. here, I'm still waking up with coffee. I'm gonna dive right into today's analysis, guys, so let's go ahead and get started. GBPJPY, we got short yesterday after price broke this level, tested it. I thought it would go short. I had the zone a little bit further up here. It's just a break and retest. Ended up pushing above, coming back down, so I closed the sell at break even and entered a buy. And then price kind of started bouncing, pushed up, came back, was kind of it was struggling to like go up yesterday. Here's what it looked like on the 1 hour. So I was out at the mall yesterday in Dallas, and when it came back to this area, I got the alert. I just closed it at break even. Ended up going up to the next zone, so I ended up being right. But I didn't, you know, I wasn't in the trade though, but we took this in the live session. But I was like, here's where I called it. Closed at break even and entered a buy. We called the sell in the live session yesterday. Did a 3-hour-long live session with Mission FX clients. If you're not in Mission FX, what the hell are you doing? Join Mission FX. Lifetime mentorship, one-on-one mentorship from my team and I. You get access to this group chat, you get access to the structured program, you get access to daily live Q&A sessions almost every day. There's no reason for you to not be in Mission FX. Join Mission FX if you're not Mission FX. Link in the description. But then right here I said I dumped the GJ position at break even. Yeah, and I just sat on it. So what happened is GJ ended up going to this next level. I got the alert last night during Asian session. I didn't enter because it was the evening. I didn't want to be sitting like stuck in this trade watching it. And of course, it's like the middle of the night. If it would have continued up here, I wouldn't have been able to manage the position and enter more positions and manage how it all works. If you're wondering how I trade GJ and how I take accounts from like 3K to 15K, 20K, what you should do is watch the video that I posted a couple days ago from the time of this video. It's called How to Make Money Trading Even If You're Wrong. And I also had another stupid video I made called Flip an Account from 3K to 20K, then buy an AMG or something like that. It's like just you search that video, you'll probably find it here on my channel. I got a lot of views, so you can go watch those videos. So that's kind of my approach to scalping. Okay, so it's kind of like it's like a hybrid martingale strategy. It's like a hybrid like hedging strategy, like position management, specific lot sizes, compounding the account, growing up, buying and selling at clear support resistance zones. There's a lot to it, but anyway, the plan for GJ today, if we come back and test here, I will sell, and if we come back here and test here, I will buy. How I will manage these trades: if this buy continues going down, I will buy at the next zone, try to get a bounce and close in profit. And if I sell here and we continue the next zone, I will sell at the next zone. Hopefully we'll come back here, get out of that sell at break even and profit on this sell. Same vice versa here. If I'm in a long right there and then I take this buy, I'll close them both right here for a break even on the first one and a profit on the second one. That's how I'll do GJ. That is it, my sweet grasshoppers and my sweet comrades. As far as GBPUSD, we hit the profit target. I called this trade on the Sunday market outlook. If you took this trade, let me know in the comment section below. It was a nice easy trade. I should have gone in a little bit heavier on this one. I should have gone in a wee bit heavier, mate, but I did not. I only went in 5 lots because I wanted to be able to manage it if it broke above here and came all the way to the previous high. That was like 50 pips. If I would have been in 10 lots, that would have been like a $5,000 drawdown. I just wouldn't have been comfortable with that. So I was waiting in case it got up to there, I could sell again in another 5 lots, let it crash and close at profit here and then buy it back. It didn't, it just ended up going straight down. So I mean, it's cool. It was a good trade. So for next time, if there's something this clear where it's just at a clear like 4-hour, 1-hour support resistance zone, probably going a little bit heavier on this. But like I said, I'm not trying to give back all the profits I made this month so far. I'm up like almost 50K this month. It's crazy. But yeah, so it was a small trade. It was a small winner for 2,500. That's good. And we've got other clients who are still short on GBP pairs. This is GU. We've got Dion and Eli still short here on these. Dave over here. So yeah, I'm out of this trade. I've got an alert here at this next resistance zone. Kind of like GJ, if it pushes up there, since I'm swing trading this, I'm gonna wait to see rejection first, then I'll look to sell. I guess I'll just delete all these alerts because, like, you know, it's just not really much of a need for them now. So I'm just gonna like delete these alerts. But yeah, since GBPUSD, CHFJPY, I put a sell limit up here at this zone because I saw we were probably gonna push up. Sell limit got filled during Asian session last night. It's right there at 0.59, 125 125.59. I'm sitting in a small loss across these positions right now. They're all 5 lots, so these ones I'm in drawdown plus the damn swaps and commissions, which are they're not that bad. It's actually only like $15 per position. It's for swap fees the past few days, and minus just commissions and stuff. So this is in a small profit. That was my first position. Entered 2 more positions down here after we broke. Continued lower, retested. I entered another one. This ended up going up. I could have gotten out around here at the beginning of the week, but I have a lot of conviction this is still going to fall just because of the daily chart. It's at a clear daily level. I've already had one nice reaction. We've got the current daily candle pushing down. We've got 2 4-hour wick closures. I just have a little bit more conviction this is going to be going down. It's the only reason I'm not exiting my positions around break even right now. These are, it's like negative, what is it? Negative 1300 right now across the profitable trades and these 2 losing positions right here. I have an alert down here at this zone. I might consider just exiting there because that'll be in profit. It'll be a small profit, like a couple grand, like 3-4K maybe, depending on how it is. But really, I mean, my original idea was that this would continue all the way down to here, and this would be a nice profit, like probably close to 10K, if not more than that. I mean, that would be crazy if it continued down. If this doesn't happen, I've got alerts above this 1 hour zone because we could break and test there. Then I'd probably liquidate these 2 positions at break even. Then if we keep on clustering up here, I'll probably just look to get buys at this zone to hedge out these 2 positions, take her back up here to the previous highs, take profit on the buys, and then sell heavy right there using the profits from the 2 buys to try to get a bounce to come back here. And then I will close this position right there in profit, and I'll close these 2 positions in loss, hopefully for a break even on all those. And that would have mean that I still would have, like, I wouldn't have lost money on these 2. I would have made money on the buys, made money on the sells, and then those would wipe out the losses from here. So kind of that's my way of managing it. So I do have a plan in place, and I've got the alerts all stacked up here to see, like, you know, what price is doing as we get there. Yeah, but I'm personally hoping we just freaking just dip through here to down to this alert, because that, I mean, I might close there if we start seeing bounces right there. So again, the only reason I'm holding on is because the H4 and the daily just look amazing. If the H4 and the daily did not look great, if this was not a very strong zone, if we didn't have strong rejection, I'd consider dipping. But right now, I think it's logical to continue holding. Worst case scenario, I could lose on this maybe like 5K. Like if we get like above here, we just keep ripping up higher. I'll just trash everything. I'll probably lose 5 or 6K in it. So, I'll, you know, whatever. Like I'll just take another winning trade to make it all back. But, you know, so I have a plan in place. That's how I'm going to manage it. Euro AUD yesterday, I was a short here. I got in a short here. I shared these in the analysis videos I made. Price broke and closed above the zone. I set an alert back here at the support. Yesterday, it came back to the support. So I ended up liquidating my second sell at a small loss. Around break even, in this position at a small profit. I only made like 800 bucks on these. So it's pretty much a break even trade. It ended up bouncing up, coming back down again. I wasn't watching this because it was in the evening. Then it ended up going up. So I'm glad I closed these, because after it failed to go down at this level and broke above, I just figured it'd be better to cut it at break even. So what I've also done is I'm going to buy right now, and that's not in profit. So yeah, I'm going to buy right now. I think price, the fact that it's broken above here, closed above, tested at this 1 hour support zone and bounced. And now we've been closing up into this resistance zone up in here with like bullish wicks. I entered after that last 1 hour candle bullish wick. I think it's likely to think that Euro AUD is probably going to try to continue up here past 1.588. And then here I'll TP on the buys, and then I'll wait for like a push deep into this resistance and enter a sell to try to get a bounce from that zone back down here. So yeah, I'm out of this in like a small profit, pretty much a break even, currently in a buy. With GBPUSD, I don't know why the hell I'm not in this trade right now. The alert went off last night. I don't know why the hell I didn't take this trade. It was literally perfect at the zone. I was sitting on my bed. I was probably just like, no, I can't focus on it, so I won't take it. But look how clear it was in the 4 hour and daily. I mean, it's like the clearest like support resistance zone you could possibly have. Like it's like resistance, liquidity through it, resistance, 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 resistance. I don't know why the hell, because this would have been so easy to manage too. If the entry's up here and it breaks above, Just wait for a crash back to the zone, get out around break even, then flop the bias to buys. No idea why I didn't enter this trade. I shared this yesterday. I think I might not have, but I'm pretty sure I shared it yesterday in yesterday's analysis video. It just didn't work. I'm sorry, it did work great. It worked perfect, but I just didn't enter the trade, which is like stupid. I have no reason for not entering this. So anyway, it happens, you know, whatever. So I'm looking for buys here at this support level if we bounce. I don't think I'd enter a sell up here again if it comes, just because it's already been there a couple times. I'm kind of expecting a push down. And if that didn't happen here pretty soon, we'll probably keep on channeling up into the zone until it just finds bullish pressure and just cracks past it. So yeah, it is what it is. So that's that for AUDJPY. I'm thinking AUDJPY is going to be bouncing right here and continuing up. Only thing is we got AUD news coming up tonight. We've got some pretty big news right here. We've got these meetings that they're doing, and they're also releasing home sales data, as well as this consumer confidence index. That all happens like about 11 hours from now. It'll be like 6 p.m. at nighttime. It's like almost 7 a.m. here in Texas right now. I'm thinking we'll bounce from here, but I don't know. Actually, I mean, it looks pretty good. Let's see. Go to the lower time frames. You know, actually, guys, this looks good. I'm going to enter this right now. So at a 4-hour level, I'm going to enter right here. I'm going to set my TP right there, so I'll have an alert. And if we continue falling to this next zone, then what I'll be doing is trying to get in another buy right there as long as we reject these lows for continuation up. So let me get into this trade here real quick, guys. Do smaller position sizing. See this AUDJPY. We'll go 5 lots. Sweet. So I'm in around 82.42. So pretty much, yeah, right here. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Yeah. If this bounces up, I'm gonna, like I said, I'll TP right here. Might even look to sell that again, or at least try to start a sell. Because if it breaks above, you know, whatever, let it come back and test, get out at break even, and then flip the buys to buys. But yeah, this looks good. Clear support resistance zone. That's it. Everything else, I don't see anything else. We've got the stock market opening up today. I already covered stocks yesterday. Nothing's changed. We were closed yesterday in a Microsoft long. I shared this at the beginning of the week. Let's take a look at crypto real quick, see what's going on. Bitcoin. Still just channeling lower. Yeah, I was going to take a sell on KuCoin, but I had an alert. I was waiting for price to push up further into this zone because last night we were like right here. So I was waiting for price to push up further into here and then bounce down. So I decided not to FOMO in right there. It's not really FOMOing because it's at the zone, but I just like these previous highs have gone way up into the zone before. So I was kind of waiting on that to happen again. Never happened, so I'm not in on this. I do think Bitcoin will continue down to like around 40.5K or whatever, just this next support resistance zone. I'm still bearish on Bitcoin for the short term. Like I don't see any reason to think that's going to continue up for right now. Of course, it could be wrong. Don't listen to me. I'm a complete idiot. But I mean, crypto's still red. I would not be buying Bitcoin right now. I might even be shorting it if I were you. But yeah, that's it. So again, guys, quick recap. GJ looking for sells if we come up here, looking for buys if we go down here. GBPSGD looking for sells if we get back up to here to try to trade price through this level down to this next zone. CHFJPY, I'm gonna keep watching this one. I may have to end up chewing out of this one in a loss. Like I said, I'm roughly, what's this, negative 1500 right now. It's, yeah, I'm going to be managing this based on whatever happens. I may end up eating a loss on this though, which is cool because it would be like the only real loss I've had all month. Everything else has been pretty much break even. I'm going to buy on Euro AUD right now. I'm going to watch how this 4-hour candle closes here in the next hour. Yeah, if we start breaking here, I might look to liquidate these or this position. I'm long on AUDJPY. You guys just saw the plan for this one is to manage it if it goes down by, again, at this major support level right here. Probably get a little bit of a bounce right there, enough to at least get out at break even for both of them. And if we push up to the profit target, I'm TPing around here, a little bit below that. Yeah, 0.64. And GBPUSD, I'm not in, but this is what I'm waiting for. Bounce in the support zone. That's it. Plain and simple. Just trading prices, it bounces around at the support resistance zone. It's the simplest, most ridiculous strategy ever. It takes some time learning it. It takes some time, takes some experience getting used to everything. That's what Mission FX helps you do, though. That's what my team is here for. Like, this is what all these live sessions are for that we do every day with our clients, and all the one-on-one sessions our clients can book. It's what the group chat is for. So we can just talk about all the trades we're taking. We can trade live with each other. We can show everything that we're doing. I mean, yeah, that's what it's for. So join Mission FX. It's good to have a community. It's good to have personal mentorship. I mean, just like anything you want to learn to be like a professional basketball player, you probably need a really good coach if you want to be in the NBA, right? Really good coach to help you, even if you're a professional. If you want to be a doctor, you got to have people help you do your residency, people train you, then you can be a doctor. That's awesome. If you want to be a great trader, it's not really any different. It's best if you have like good mentorship, good coaching, good help, good assistance, stuff that can actually help you get to where you want to be, and Mission FX does that. So consider buying the Mission FX full program. Link in the description. Hope you guys have a great rest of the trading day today and this week, and cheers.